You guys asked for it, so here we are. Get ready to go on a creative adventure. And this month we are gonna have a pool party. So every single month you get 2 exclusive plates. We've got all sorts of fun little sayings and all the kinds of things that you'd find at a pool party. And then you get 2 early access polishes. So the 2 colors is Splash, a very, very pretty pearl blue. And you also get Watermelon Flow, like a nice bright salmon. So these are the 2 colors. It's a very strong kind of summery color. And you also get a surprise gift, a glitter dome monocle stamper. And also you're gonna get this cute little scraper card that is matching the box. So this month is a great month if you are signed up and part of our subscription program, because this stamper is so darn cute.